Let's make a lava lamp. For this, we will need some water, cooking oil, food coloring, a small torch, Alka-Seltzer, a bottle, a funnel, and a small box. To begin, we fill the bottle 1/4 of the way up with water using the funnel. Now we fill the rest of the bottle up with the oil. You will notice that the oil and the water won't mix. They are just too different on a molecular basis. Then we put a bit of food coloring into the bottle. Next up, we break up 2 Alka-Seltzer tablets and put them also into the bottle. As you can see, they sink to the bottom of the bottle where the food dye and water is. And as they dissolve, they bring colored bubbles up to the top through the oil. Our lava lamp is almost complete. For added effect, we put our small torch inside the box with the hole that we prepared earlier and set our lava lamp on top. Look what happens when we turn out the lights! Awesome! This is so much fun to make! Make sure you try it out at home!